Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be doing a little quick skincare video and we're going to be trying out the Glow Recipe for Babies. So I'm so excited because I just got this 2 days ago. So we're gonna try this out and see how it goes. Hi, so for the entire video I'm going to be giving you guys a voiceover due to the background noise that was going on that day when I was recording. Here I'm showing you guys a little unboxing video that I posted on my Instagram the other day, and I'm just showing you guys the items that were inside the kit of the Glow Recipe for Babies. Alright, so we're starting off with the avocado cleanser, and I'm putting up the instructions that were written in the box so that you guys can see the order that I apply to each item. And this is me just applying the cleanser and rinsing thoroughly. Up next, we have the watermelon toner, and this is to use as your first leave-on treatment step. Up next, we got the guava gel cream, and I think this is my favorite because I just use it for the eye area. I also apply some cream to my chin. I think I looked it up, and apparently this is for dark spots as well. Now we got the strawberry serum, and honestly this one smells so good, and this is just to apply if your skin is looking dull. Alright, so now we got the watermelon dew drops, and this is just to brighten skin and add radiance. I was kind of being in a hurry on this part and the cap just suddenly fell off. And lastly, I'm adding the moisturizing cream. And this is the end of the video. Honestly, each item smells really good, and I just had fun trying this out, and I will keep you guys updated and see how my skin changes after using it a few times. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.